Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be making coated peanuts, and to that we're going to be needing flour, groundnuts, sugar, eggs, milk, vanilla and salt. To the groundnut we're going to add in salt, and we're going to pour hot water over this. Just stir it up a bit and let it sit for about 5 minutes. 5 minutes later, you're going to drain this, and we're going to put this into a tray and let it dry under the sun. In a bowl, we're going to add in flour, milk, and salt, and we're just going to stir this up to combine them. In another bowl, we are going to add in our eggs, vanilla extract, and then the sugar, and we're going to mix this properly to combine all the ingredients. We're going to start mixing the ingredients bit by bit, and we're going to start with the egg mix. You're just going to take a spoonful into the peanut, and we're going to stir this up, shake it up until every peanut is coated with the egg mix. We're going to do the same for the flour. We're going to pour this in, and then we're going to mix it up till it gets well coated. So now we're just going to repeat this process until the peanut is well coated. While you are mixing, you're going to realize that some of the granules start sticking together. You're just going to use your hands and you're just going to separate them, and then you're going to continue with your mixing. When you're done mixing, you're going to realize that some of the ingredients do not get coated with the groundnut, so we're just going to sieve this out. So after you're done sieving, this is what your peanut should look like, and it is ready for frying. So we're going to heat up oil in a pan, and we're just going to place one of the peanuts to know if this oil is hot enough, and if it is, we're going to start adding in our other peanuts, and we're just going to stir this up. We're going to let our peanut fry until it is golden brown, and we're going to stir this up occasionally so that the peanuts fry evenly. And when your peanut is golden brown, they are ready, you just take them out of the fire. And please guys, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please do hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so you get notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you. So we're going to repeat the process until we're done frying our peanuts, and the outcome was super amazing and crunchy. I hope you guys like it. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.